Hello YouTube, hi, this is Ian Bartlett again, and I'm going to show a short video because a very good friend of mine just sent me an email and asked more information about it. Pretty much going to go over appending tables or fields with FileMaker and Microsoft Access. Okay, well, let's begin. Alright, so first off, I'm going to start off by using FileMaker because it's a whole lot easier. And I can show the differences right when I go to Access. Alright, so I have my FileMaker open up and I want to take customers. I want to add a new customer. Let's say the 25th. I just made this, add this one recently. Obviously it's made up more than this. And I want to add one, but I want to add it through Excel, meaning I want to import it. Okay, so here it says, now I did, to make them not mixed up, here's the original information in there. This is the guy I just added. So right now I'm going to add, let's say, number 27, C27, and let's make this last name Jones. Age 5. 4. There we go. Okay. Let's go ahead and adjust this a little bit. There we go. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. So save this. The reason why I'm keeping these separate because you don't want to overlap and do duplicate data. So let's go over here. Let's go in our FileMaker. And first you got, of course, you got to close this. All right. Now we're going to import. So we're going to go to File, Import Records, File, and there we go. Open. And we're going to Customers too, because that's the new one I made. Okay. And we're just going to add new records. Simple as that. All right. Import. Just let you know this. There you go. Now let's go to Show All. And that's it. Quick and easy. And I even did it with, now the main thing I want you to notice, I did it with an ID field. This field right here called an ID. And with Access, I already showed it in a prior video, but you cannot import stuff with this here. You cannot. Yeah. I already did it in a prior video, so I'll post that video in the end of this for you to click on and look, and you'll see what happens. All right. So let me go into my Access file. Oh, I can close this out. Okay. So customers. All right. So this stopped at. Yeah, don't mind that. Can't really change it. That stopped at 26. Oh, did the same thing over here. Okay, so I can't do Susie Smith. 26, so it's 27. Oh, all right, we do have 27. Great. His name Jones. Luther. I don't know. Okay, there we go. Well, you know what? Hey, why not? Why not? I probably spelled that wrong. I'm sorry. 2, 2, 3, 3. And 2, 3. City. That's set up. All right. So city. St. Louis. Okay, adjust this. Now, the thing with Access is very picky. Can't have any numbers, or I might even just delete the Saint, the period off of this. And just make sure. I'm telling you, Access will be crazy sometimes. Delete that, just in case. Alright, so let's go and import. Save it. Okay, so let's go here and close this part out. And let's turn on data. Come on. File, Excel. Find it first. Desktop. And right there. Oh, actually, I'll end up showing you what happens when you have the ID in there. I forgot that already has the ID in there right now. I'll take it out after. I'll show you what happens. There you go. Actually, I can cancel. File, Excel. Store. Okay, append. Customers table. Okay. Wait, customers too. Now see how it has that ID in there? Watch what happens. Okay, thinking it's going to work. What? Oh my gosh, it actually worked. Before it went. Oh, figures. Okay, so let's look at it. See, yeah, they're 27. There you go. Okay, I guess Access does do it alright. So, okay. So, there you go, same thing. Yeah, that's it. That's pretty much how to import your information to update your database. Alright? Well, thank you for watching and have a great day. Hello YouTube, thank you so very much for watching the video. And yes, it was a lot shorter one. I'm trying to work on that. Anyways, please put your comments below. Let me know what you would like me to do next time, or to show any input you might have. And don't forget to subscribe to the video. And see you next time. Have a great day and best wishes.